This one is a quick tip, how to insert a clip in the final sequence. For example, I forgot to add this clip. And I want to add this clip, in the middle of my sequence. So we can move all the clips to the left side. Then add this clip here. And again move them together. And it takes 4 to 5 seconds. But I will show you easy way to add this clip. Drag this file, and hold on Ctrl key, so you can see these arrows in the time indicator. Then just release the mouse. And that's it. As we can see, it's cut my adjustment layer. So we can lock the adjustment layer. Then just drag this clip. Hold on Ctrl key, and release it here. Unlock the adjustment layer. And extend it. And that's all.